So for this problem, it says the kangaroos have been clocked at 65 kilometers an hour. How far can a kangaroo hop in 2 minutes? So this is an interesting one because our time... Oh, I hate this. It's always some weird wonky problem. Alright, there we go. Let's try this again. The time is 2 minutes. And then the speed or velocity is 65 kilometers per hour. Okay. So I don't know, let me just double check one thing real quick. We need to have the answer in kilometers. So what I need to do is figure out how many minutes there are. How many minutes there are. I got to convert my time to hours. So I'm going to take 2 minutes and I have to convert that to hours. So remember that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So then I just go to Desmos, so I'm going to take 2 and divide it by 60. So let me clear this out, and I'm just going to say 2 divided by 60, and I get 0.033 repeating or whatever minutes. So I'm going to change that to my time then is actually 0.033 hours. Okay. So to find the distance, remember that the distance is equal to the velocity times the time. And I said minutes, but I meant hours. So then my total distance is equal to the velocity, which is 65 kilometers per 1 hour. And that's going to be multiplied by 0.033 hours. And so then the hours cancels with hours, and so when I multiply those together, I should get a distance. So now I'm going to take my 0.3 number, and I'm just going to multiply that. Whoops, I got to clear that out. I'm going to say 0.033, and I'll do a bunch of threes just for the fun of it, times 65, and I get 2.17 kilometers. So my final answer is it can actually go 2.17 kilometers in 2 minutes. That's pretty impressive, actually, when you think about it. And so let me just double check and make sure that's what I put. Let's see. Yeah, I put between 2 and 2.3 because I don't know how people are going to round. So yeah, that's a perfect answer. Sometimes people round up in their decimal if they didn't carry out enough of those threes. And then, so anyways, it would fall in those parameters.